kamay niya nakapayong. Rarely would you see the hands of the blockers of China na nakatayo lang yung fingers. Because their goal is to bring
on. Combination play. Yu Yan Han dug up by Anissa. The push, but blocked away. Finally, Thailand now on the board.
You know, having a service error from China, parang hindi yata normal yun.
Oh, ito isa sa mga koponan na bihira ng error. Yung mga tapo na puntos, bonus para doon sa kanilang koponan. Sa kabilang koponan, rather, Thailand also has to clean that up, especially against a very strong team like China.
That's right. Alam mo, yesterday when they went up against Japan, yun yung nagpatalo sa kanila. Ang dami nilang service errors. So hopefully this time around, ma-limit nila to, if not annihilate.
Yu Yan Han, the Olympian, with the service. Ponpon says...
Natapon is really a strict code. He doesn't normally do this.
At yung mga ganitong combination play, yung tumalo sa Japan the last time out para sa Thailand. And a chance ball given up. Ponpon, where will she go? That's the ball!
Kailangan talaga ingatan nila to. Quick, easy points yan for China. And China doesn't need the help.
Zheng Yixin on deck to serve. Ponpon back to Achapon. Adjusts this time over the defense. Yu Yan Han, drop ball. What a chase on by Anissa. Chachuan. Oh, what a hit!
And this is what I was saying in our pre-game. Yung heart, playing with heart. Because China's a tough team to beat. And now you could hear even the crowd cheering for Thailand.
That ultra-fast bike brought to you by PLDT Home Volterra Ultra-Fast LTE for a happy family. This time out brought to you by Rubisco. Make the life of moments possible. You can see itong huddle ng Thailand. Nakikita natin yung postura dito ni Coach Srisa Mutnak telling them to correct their blocking. Receives. Ponpon back set. Oy, masyadong... Hindi magandang approach ni Achapon. Down the line attack, dug up. Chachuan will try. And again, Thailand on the board.
Si Chachuan, ito rin yung go-to person nila yesterday. I think ang magka-diagonal
Hatay at the serve para sa Thailand. Muntik pa matulungan na net. Crowd reacts. Yan Han from the back row. They're utilizing that weapon in this rotation. Chachuan. Oh!
The Great Wall of China was there. Blocked that ball well, but yun nga, sa lakas ng bola at sa angulo ng bola, lumabas yung ball and quick point for Thailand.
Yung mga check ball na yan, kailangan gawin ng Thailand dahil ang laki nga naman ng pader na kailangan nilang lusutan.
Correct.
Important unfortunately goes out of bounds.
They were asking for a check ball pero wala naman talaga. Palobo talaga at mahaba yung bola.
Look at the leadership here of Ponpun. Immediately settling down the troops. Sitting agree to receive the service brought to you by Smart Live More. Duan Fang with the service, and she scores.
Yan yung number one weapon ng China, services.
At yung
You are watching the first Rubisco Asian Women's Under-22 Volleyball Championships here on Action TV. Hindi daw inaasahan ng Team Thailand na sila ang papasok sa finals, pero ngayon na nandito sila, gagawin daw nila ang lahat para makuha ang panalo. They just have to play as a team dahil kung meron daw kahit isa na hindi mag-deliver, then parang magiging domino effect yung kawalan ng kumpiyansa nila. They played with all heart yesterday, so they're hoping to show the same determination here today. Balik sa inyo, James at Chicky.
that steely resolve will be tested. Palitan dito ng puntos. Kanina si Chachuan with a hammer. This time a quick play para sa China. They are up by 2, 9, serving 7 in set number 1.
Alam mo yun nga, yung negative energy, mas mabilis yun mapasa than yung positive energy. So dapat talaga ingat.
Bawal bad vibes.
Correct.
Here's Ponpun to Chachuan. Pulls the defense.
That was a good play there by Thailand. Hinulog lang. The defense of China thought that it was going to be a hard ball.
So yung basa ng mga attackers para mahanap mga openings at depensa. The service is brought to you by Smart Live More. And they just let that one go.
Alam mo, ang dami na masyadong service errors ng Thailand.
China. Loaded services. Pero nagawang pa.
Harap ng Thailand ngayon you've got tall hitters. So, yung defense, floor defense ng Thailand has to be fast.
Coach Srisa Montnak will sue for time. This time out brought to you by Rubisco, making the delightful moments possible every day. Para dito sa Thailand, kanina pinag-uusapan natin coverage. Pero paano mo tatapatan yung isang scorer tulad ng Liu Yanhan? Is it possible that you make her work defensively? Do you serve her? Do you target her with the service? Or, you know, how do you defend against her? How do you make her work?
Yeah, if I were the coach, I'd tell them to tell the Thailand team to make sure the services go in and make sure that the services are loaded so that China will not be able to come up with any play. Kailangan which is correct. Yun yung talagang, you put the risk on China to make the mistake.
Combination play, Adsabon gets blocked.
You know, the coverage was there, but because the ball from China was so fast, when it landed on the floor, walang nagawa si Anissa.
Double block agad ang umarap. Dito kay Adsabon, block brought to you by Smart Live More. Definitely the taller team, showcasing its might, protecting the net early in set number 1. Adsabon will try and destroys the blockers.
You know, yung bola ni Acharapon, ano siya in between the blockers, which means magkahiwalay yung dalawang blockers ng China. Usually, well-calculated ang distance between the two elbows
Touch, gives it back. Pagkakataon niya para sa China. Back set, running attack. And China will score. Zheng Yixin puts it down.
There was a net violation there from Thailand. Ito nga kasi diba ba nga, electrified yung ano, ayun, kitang-kita yung net violation.
Again and again, we say this during our coverage. The net is live.
Yes.
FIVB rules in an FIVB sanctioned event. The service brought to you by Smart Live More. Soft hit by Hataya with a score. Duan Pang. Chachuan sends it over to Pimpinchaya. Couldn't score. Liu from the back row. Pinabal ni Anissa. They push it back. Another chance for China. 1-2 attack. Masa. Pimpinchaya block. Ponpon goes to Charapon. Block. Rally continues. Isa pa para kay Charapon. Ball still in play. What an effort for China. And Charapon.
Oh, what a hit from Acharapon. Down the line niya. She saw the blockers were there. And if she had gone down the line, may iwan.
DT Home Volterra. Broke the fast bike.
Na regalo from China because, you know, the front liners of China are so tall, but because her hit was so strong, pumasok pa rin sa net sa side ng China yung bola.
And a hataw ni Hataya.
Yes.
She throws it down and stares them down. Pipichaya serves it up and scores.
Alam mo, di ba yung si Hataya, may Filipino song yun by Gary V.
Hataw na. And Thailand within 1, 12 serving 13. Pipichaya back on deck. Flat serve. That time the Chinese libero receives. Liu Yanghan. Gonna score that time. Talagang tinututukan. And defensa as Chachuan flying high and spiking hard.
And you did not see where that hit. Oh, si Chachuan, what a play by Ponpon.
And look at this ultra-fast bike brought to you by PLDT Home Volterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. And there is a timeout. We are all tied up in set number 1, 13 points apiece. As Thailand commits a service error, just when I was about to say, with that error, sending China to the service. Sign Zheng Yixin on deck.
Now for that.
A sneaky attack dito kay Ponpon. And we are all tied up.
And they need a lot of sneaky attacks to go against China.
Short service. Muntik mamamatay ang bola. Duan Fang. An excellent dig. Again, Ponpon trying to fool the defense. Yu Yanhan couldn't score. Combination play for Chachuan. Duan Fang chases it down. Chachuan again, but the attack is good.
That ball rolled on the net, kaya lang natamaan ng braso ng one of the Chinese players. So that's why the point goes to Thailand.
And now China will go taller as Zhang Yu is now on the floor.
Zhang is, her height is 6'6".
So as tall as our Chacha Sanchagu.
Yeah.
Good reception by China. This will allow Liu to attack. Buhay pa bola. Thailand doing a good job digging the volleyball. Chen to the other side. And that one is good.
Si Chen, that was an angled hit. Ang hirap kunin yun. The blockers of Thailand were a little bit late. Look at this replay. She goes up for that hit.
One bang puts it down. Ultra fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera, Ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Chen serves it up. Charapon sends it back. Good coverage. Charapon. And he's a second touch. Pimpichaya will...
Pancakes by Ponpon.
China may kalamangan sa second technical timeout. Brought to you by...
You're watching the first Rubisco Asian Women's Under 23 Volleyball Championships here on Aksyon TV. Dahil maikli lang yung laban ng China kahapon, nakapagpahinga sila and are playing at 100% today. Hindi raw sila nagulat na Thailand ang nakaharap nila dito sa finals dahil para sa kanila, equal lang ang lahat ng teams. Kaya pinaghahandaan lang daw nila lahat tuwing nag-iensayo sila. Balik sa inyo.
And that's a key thing to remember here. Maraming salamat, Carla Lizardo, that China was able to win quickly in their last game. So they were able to get enough rest. Pero ito Thailand, dahil going to the finals against China, but Thailand is surprising everyone and pulling out that 5-set victory. The service brought to you by Smart Live More.
Oo nga, kaya you would think, no, na pagod tong Thai team.
Again, another excellent hit from Wang Xi. Look at the combination there. At itong center na China na si Chen.
Kaya lang binilisan ng play ng China. Yung kanilang hataw, yung kanilang offense, wala pa sa posisyon ng Thailand. That's why they got that point.
This ultra fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Timeout brought to you by Rubisco, making delightful moments possible every day.
Alam mo, ang daming kumakampi dito sa Thailand. I can think of two reasons.
25-30. So definitely Thailand with some momentum, some confidence, and some technical adjustments. Pagpasok dito sa finals game na ito. Ponpon, back set, and Charapon puts it down.
Ang Thailand, ang daming tricks up their sleeve. Talaga namang, what a great hit down the line, hitting the corner of zone 5.
Para dito sa Thailand, lahat ng plays sa kanilang era, they really have to bring it out as Ponpon is on deck to serve, brought to you by Smart Live More.
Oo, kasi kung quick point agad sila, less energy ang i-expel nila because they're going to get the set right away.
Attack by Liu Yanhan goes out. Puntos para sa Thailand, now with a chance to equalize. Yun, nakita natin, pinadala na niya kay Liu Yanhan, making her receive. Pero kita mo naman yung ibang Chinese attackers, we're not just a Liu Yanhan team.
That's right.
Combination from Liu Yanhan. Oh, what an effort! Boy save! Thailand keeps it alive. Again, back to Liu.
You know, there was no blocker there from Thailand against Liu. Talaga namang mag-isa lang, tapos yung arms pa are a bit open. It's wide. Look at this replay. See, there was no one there to block. That's why quick point yon for Liu. Kailangan dito talaga sa Chinese team, double block, hindi triple all the time.
Ultra fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera, Ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Pinaiyo sa blockers and Chachuan will score.
Very smart play there by Chachuan. Smart play also by Ponpon kasi alam niya kung anong gagawin ni Chachuan.
And this service by Chachuan brought to you by Smart Live More.
Thailand, and hopefully she keeps this going.
I think they've had 2 or 3 aces already dito sa set number 1. Laking bagay niyan para sa
Yes.
Thailand if they can score with their
Yes.
serves. 20 all, set number 1. That time, the Chinese libero adjusts. Liu, over receive. Quick play, and that one is good.
Siyempre, ang China hindi ibibigay ng basta-basta tong first set. They're really going to fight hard, and you can see how good they're working on their offense.
You can see how beautifully executed yung mga middle attacks of China.
That's right.
We've seen that all tournament long. China within 4 points. Within 3 points after that service ace.
Alam mo, yun yung talagang number 1 na kailangan gawin eh. Attack from the service area. Quick point. So, pag meron kang quick point, you don't expel so much energy from your teammates. Kaya nakaka-relax kayo.
Wang Xi on deck to serve. Ponpon, back set. Pimpinchaya. And Thailand will get that point.
Once again, hindi natin nakita kung saan nanggaling si Pimpinchaya, pero nandun siya, hitting that ball hard, earning the point for Thailand.
So on deck to serve para dito sa Thailand is Whipawee. I was gonna say easy over pero sails out of bounds. I thought it was one of those looping serves sa mahuhulog.
Oo, sa end line, no?
.23 to serve, 21. Liu on deck to serve.
Alam mo tong si Liu, according to their coaching staff, hindi pa raw siya, her skill level, hindi pa pwede para sa senior team. And yet she plays like, you know, a senior person.
But look, speaking of skill level, the way Ponpon sets up her attackers, it's just a thing of beauty. So that running attack is good. Thailand again within striking distance. Pagkakataon para makatabla, 22 serving 23. This type of game expected in a finals game. Combination play. Dumaan pa sana dito kay Ponpon, but China will score.
Once again, mag-isa lang kasing block. Si Ponpon eh. Kaya itong mga Chinese, because they're tall and they jump high, they can adjust in midair. So kailangan talaga net coverage.
Zheng Yixin with the service. Ponpon back set, running attack again.
Alam mo, yun ang kailangan talagang i-run ng plays ni Ponpon, yung fast. Ibig sabihin ng fast, low sets, like this. Look at that. Kasi, bakit fast? Para hindi pa ready yung defense ng China.
Dahil pag nasa ere na yung Great Wall.
Yeah, mahirap ng i-beat.
Again, faulty first ball.
Grabe, the crowd grows wild for Thailand.
Thailand. Coach Natapon has to coach the game of his life. Duan Phang, Anissa was there, keeping it alive. Chance now for Thailand. Chachuan. Unfortunately, that one is long.
You know, that was a good eye from China. Lumusot yung bola in between the blockers of China. At nakita nila, ay nako, wag na natin kunin to because this is long. And sure enough, the ball went long.
We're at set point in set number 1. 1-2 attack!
Ang ganda naman ng ginawa ni Ponpon. Talaga namang nakakagulat para sa China. Another one of those, please.
A smart play from Ponpon. And Thailand will not go quietly to the night.
Ito yung never say die kind of character that Thailand has.
Ataya serves it up, but unfortunately out of bounds.
So they have to be ready for China because surely ang service will be a weapon in itself from China.
Yuan Fang again at the service line. Para sa China. Another set point. Extended first set. And Yuan Fang will score and take set number 1, 27-25 against a hard-fighting Thailand team. China looking to stay unscathed. Thailand looking to pull the rug from under China. Set number 2. We'll come back.